KIIT TBI's since inception philosophy is to support early-stage startups or young entrepreneurs to provide all support to grow and scale. In the beginning, much of the interest in entrepreneurial activities centered around ICT and engineering design, and there were relatively fewer biotech projects at KIIT TBI. However, attention towards the biotechnology sector got a flip only when BIRAC extended its support in establishing a globally competent bio-incubation facilities at KIIT TBI under the BIRAC BioNest scheme. The BioNest at KIIT TBI then led to the gateway to many other opportunities for biotech startups like the BIRAC Big Partner, Sparsh Center, BIRAC Regional Techno Entrepreneurship Center, and the recent Technology Transfer Office set up at KIIT TBI under the National Biopharma Mission of BIRAC. For KIIT TBI, the selection by BIRAC as the implementing partner for the Biotechnology Ignition Grant was an important milestone in strengthening its biotechnology-led innovations. So far, the impact has been very encouraging. 148 startups are supported, which are inching ahead from proof of concept to validation to commercialization. The majority of the startups have been successful in raising follow-on funding, including private investment, which is not a very common scenario in biotech projects, which are relatively riskier and have a high gestation period. We see a shift happening in recent years in academic settings. Many academicians, including women researchers, are now more inclined towards business-driven science. Although the startups supported by BIRAC are spread across the country, but importantly today, startups are not the buzzword of the only major cities. Tier 2 cities like Odisha and Northeast states also have slowly but strongly carved their niche in the startup ecosystem. KIIT TBI is also one of the Sparsh centers of BIRAC for implementing the Social Innovation Immersion Program, which is one of the flagship programs launched in the year 2015, with the focus on creating a pool of social innovators who would develop solutions to address some of these pressing problems of our society that will have a social and economic impact. All our SIIP fellows working have graduated into impressive new milestones, with all the SIIP fellows starting their own ventures and continuing their innovation journey, with a vision to promote regional innovations to solve local problems and build the capacity of the local incubation ecosystem in ENNE. BIRAC Regional Center for Technology Promotion (BRTC) was set up at KIIT TBI in the year 2019 with the support of BIRAC, Government of India, to work in a cluster model with other incubators institutions and other enablers of East and Northeast region. The impact created reflects that the momentum is slowing, revolutionizing the innovation and entrepreneurship culture in the East and Northeast region. To further spur the commercialization of research discoveries from academia and startups, KIIT TBI Technology Transfer Office was set up in the year 2019 under the National Biopharma Mission of BIRAC. KIIT TBI TTO has been relentlessly working to bring effective institutional mechanisms in academia for translating R&D output into technological wealth by bridging the gap between industry and academia. The TTO at KIIT TBI has brought a unique flavor to the ecosystem of East and Northeast, and the magnitude of the results reflects its significance. Our operational mantra is doing what is best for technology. We are cognizant that every technology is at a different level of the value chain, so their need also varies. KIIT TBI conducts a lot of capacity building workshops, provides IP and regulatory support, and mentor connects to support startups to scale up. The 12 years journey of KIIT TBI BioNest Bio Incubator has been very progressive, and we are hopeful that the coming years will be as promising and productive with the support of the BIRAC and its stakeholders towards the advancement of the next generation of biotech innovators.